Alright.
There's so much expo on this like.
No, it's just my own preference. Everybody's preference is different. You need that for the rudder. Don't change it. You'll see what I mean. Leave the rudder and then tell me. And if you don't like it, change it.
Because I'm like moving it back and forth, and it's like.
You'll see when you drive. When you're driving, you'll see why I do that.
Yeah, I can see. Like,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can actually kind of see why now.
Yeah.
Oh, what the? I don't want to wait for all these. I don't want to fly back.
Was that you, Kurt?
That guy flying through the.
Yeah, he was a little wonky. Skysword!
Nice, man. It's faded though, isn't it?
It's faded a lot. It faded from like the second week I had it. Every plane from now on is going to be boned. Bona baby, it's a bona baby.
Thank you.
Oh, sure. Thank you. You're helping me.
Yeah. Considering how it looks in there, I'm just gonna add $20 and just keep the receiver.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's alright.
That's the easiest thing to do, and because it's already in there. Why change it?
It does taxi when he's like that.
Yeah, well, as soon as you get going down the road, it's fine. Okay. So that's the second one. There was one already.
Yeah, right over there.
Yeah.
That's the caravan.
Caravan, yeah.
It's so weird. That's so trippy with a backwards rudder.
I know, and I didn't think it would work.
What is it? Does it just have adverse yaw?
It does.
Or
It has
like
a.
slide?
It slides. So when I did that, it got rid of it, and you'll see when you fly it.
Okay.
No, don't do the bounce. That's why you got to use throttle. All right.
I'll let Kurt get his plane and then. Do you use flaps on takeoff?
No, doesn't need it. You really don't need flaps to land either.
Just bring it
Just
in like anything else?
keep the speed up until you get used to it. Because when it gets too slow, it just falls out of the sky.
I'm sure I can do a few stalls.
So it's best to just.
That's so funky to taxi.
Now don't try to force it into the air. You'll know when it's ready to go.
Alright. You ready?
Yep.
Take it off.
Good?
Yeah.
All right.
See some over the
Okay.
This thing's fun.
It is.
This thing flies great.
Now you see why I loved it so much.
Batteries are doing good too.
Well, battery's fine. It's just they got a little puffy.
This thing flies awesome. It doesn't even need a gyro.
No, it flies a little better with one, but you really don't need it.
Oh yeah, the backwards rudder makes me really tell it does help. It
It-
still wants to slide even a bit.
Yeah. When you do like consecutive rolls, you'll notice.
Yeah, my rate on the ailerons is a little bit better, I think. But that's alright.
It's all personal preference. It doesn't matter. I like lots of expo. No, he's off. I like lots of expo for how I fly. It has little lights in the wingtips too.
Yeah. This thing flies pretty good, honestly.
Really good.
Better than I thought. I thought it. First seeing it, I thought it would fly like shit.
Everybody thinks that. I mean, and I think with the original setup, it probably wasn't all that good.
Well, 4S. Well, the
Yeah.
new 6S setup was not too bad, but
Yeah.
the old 4S setup was just.
Yeah, this is better.
What is this? The Dr. Matra?
Yeah,
14 blade?
yeah. No, same,
Oh, it's the same fan.
same
it's
fan as stock.
just
It's
a
just a different.
2960
Yeah, just the
Dr.
inrunner.
Matra.
Yeah.
I'll do a few more packs and set it up. Those wingtip lights, aren't they?
They're not really bright now, but once the sun starts going down.
The dinky afterburner.
Yeah, you're flying pretty laid back, dude, so the battery will be fine.
Landing.
Just keep the speed up on landing till there's a little flicker. Just keep the speed up on landing till you're right over the runway, and then let it fly it to the ground.
Alright.
Good. A little more throttle. There you go. A little more, a little more, a little more. There you go. You're good. That's it. See, it's not bad. Yep. Cool. Perfect fit.
And those little shitty wheels, it stops pretty fast too.
Yeah. But it dog tracks, which is weird. And I think that could be fixed just by changing the gear.
Yeah, I can see. Look at it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yay! You got a plane you're happy with, and I have more room.